Subscribe to Shimaru Good Health 24/7 and hit the bell icon to stay fit and healthy.
Today we will share with you home remedies on how to cure cold and cough at home. Natural cough remedies. The first one is honey tea. Honey provides the most significant relief from coughing. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. The second one is ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. The third one is milk and turmeric. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is an effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. The fourth one is jaggery solution. Boil water with black pepper, cumin and jaggery. Consume this solution when warm and it will give you relief from chest congestion. Eucalyptus oil. Use it in a vaporizer or rub it on your chest to help break up the mucus. The sixth one is steam. A good dose of steam can loosen the phlegm and help with both a dry cough and a productive cough. Boil some water and put it in a bowl. As you breathe in the steam, drape a towel over your head in the bowl to improve its potency. Salt and water gargle. While this remedy may seem relatively simple, a salt and water gargle can help soothe a scratchy throat that causes you to cough. Mixing salt with warm water can help to relieve irritation caused by cough and also kill the bacteria.